Today I'm going to show you how to exactly control the volume on your AirPods. If you're using AirPods Pro or AirPods 2nd generation and later, you can simply ask Siri to adjust the volume. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn up the volume." This is super convenient if your hands are busy or you're on the go. You can also ask Siri to turn it up by specific increments, like increase volume by 30%. Just make sure Siri is turned on, and always listen for Siri is also turned on. 2nd and 3rd generation AirPods come with volume swipe controls. Gently swipe up on the stem of the AirPod to raise the volume or swipe down to lower it. Another option is to simply use the volume buttons on your iPhone or the control center scroll. If you're connected to an Apple Watch, you can also use the digital crown to adjust volume while listening, which is a great hands-free option. On AirPods Pro and some other models, you can adjust the settings to control volume differently. Go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and click the eye icon next to your AirPods. Here you can customize how your AirPods respond to double taps, presses and other gestures. If swiping is too sensitive or not responsive enough, try cleaning the AirPod stem with soft dry cloth to remove any debris that might be affecting touch sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.